Hi, I'm Chris Crockett from the City of Philadelphia Water Department. And when people ask us how our approach to stormwater management is innovative, basically I describe our approach from a large level and then work our way down to specific programs that people can understand and extrapolate to their communities. So let's talk about the big picture in Philadelphia. The big picture, other than Mayor Nutter's goal of being the greenest city in the country, is our Green Cities Clean Water program, which is the innovative stormwater program that looks at land, water, and the uses around the water to come up with an integrative and adaptive implementative approach to achieve the outcomes of the Clean Water Act and the best outcomes for our citizens. And it's based on a triple bottom line approach, which is a dollar spent on stormwater should get a dollar back in benefit for the community. Now, how do we make that happen? Well, overall, we have to manage over 15 square miles of impervious area in the city of Philadelphia. Now, that's over 9,560 acres, and over 25 years, that's about $2 billion of infrastructure. Now, that's done in concert with through two different areas, private lands and public lands. On the private lands, we have stormwater regulations since 2005 that require developers to manage the first inch of runoff from any impervious area. In addition to that, we also have impervious parcel-based stormwater billing, where any parcels now billed for their stormwater based on their runoff from their impervious area, not based on their meter charge, which is what we had done since the late 60s. Moving beyond the private side into the public side, we have programs related to public schools, parks and recreation areas, streets, integration of green streets with our water and sewer replacement jobs, as well as programs aimed at alleys and other public spaces. And a good example of that is our Green Streets program, where we actually go and manage stormwater from the streets using a variety of techniques, whether it's porous pavement, which we do have porous pavement streets in Philadelphia. We also have bump outs, which are the traditional technique you see, as well as tree trenches, which the public doesn't see. They just see a tree-lined street in most cases. And so working with our partners and other city agencies, in community groups, and in the local community, we're able to come up with a variety of tools that work to the community's needs and work to not only do our stormwater management, but also spur urban renewal. So we view our green infrastructure and our stormwater management as a vehicle for greater improvements in the city of Philadelphia that will lead to lasting improvements for generations to come.